If your ML350 is misfiring, shaking, losing power, or burning more fuel than normal, your spark plugs may be overdue for replacement. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change them yourself, step by step, with tools you probably already own. The ML350's M272 engine needs healthy spark plugs to run smoothly. Bad plugs can damage ignition coils, reduce fuel economy, and trigger check engine lights. Doing this yourself can save you serious money. Here are the tools you need for a correct ML350 spark plug job. 5/8 spark plug socket, long extension bar, ratchet, torque wrench, dielectric grease, compressed air, or a simple brush. Replacement spark plugs, 6 pieces. Once you have these, the rest is simple. Before removing anything, disconnect the battery. Then remove the engine cover to expose the ignition coils. Clean around the coil area to prevent debris from falling inside the cylinder. Each cylinder has its own coil. Disconnect the electrical plug. Remove the bolt holding the coil. Gently pull the coil straight out. Use your spark plug socket and extension. Turn counterclockwise until the plug comes out. If it feels tight, do not force it. Use slow, steady pressure. A healthy plug has tan or light brown color. If it's black, oily, or burnt, your engine may have additional issues like oil consumption or rich mixture. Start threading the new plug by hand. This prevents cross-threading. Once finger tight, use a torque wrench to tighten to factory spec. Do not over-tighten. Reinstall the ignition coil, apply a tiny amount of dielectric grease to the boot, then push the coil back in, secure the bolt, and reconnect the electrical plug. Repeat for all 6 cylinders. Take your time. Consistency is key. Do not mix up coils. Do not over-tighten plugs. Do not let dirt fall into the cylinder. And always torque your plugs correctly to prevent engine damage. Reconnect your battery, start the engine, and listen. It should idle smoothly with improved throttle response. If everything sounds clean, your DIY spark plug change was successful. If this step-by-step tutorial helped you, hit the like button and comment "Spark Plug Guide" if you want the full ignition coil testing video next. Subscribe for more ML350 repairs, DIY fixes, and real mechanical breakdowns.